Hi, Linda Bowen here from StampingWithLinda.com, your cardiologist since 1997, helping you create cards from the heart. Today is just a quick video using the beautiful new gold cards and envelopes. I featured them last week in one of my videos, and I am just in love with these. These cards and envelopes are ready to go, and so today I'm just going to do a quick card, and I am going to use the Autumn Goodness stamp set and dies that are part of the they are part of the tutorial that I am doing this month, free for a $30 order in my online store. So this stamp set is just beautiful. I am using the words, "My heart is grateful for you." And I've already taken that wheelbarrow from the Autumn Goodness. Again, the Autumn Goodness is my PDF tutorial for this month, and I have already cut out the wheelbarrow. I have used the smoky slate for that. I'm going to grab some dimensionals and add to that wheelbarrow. Going to take the spray of flowers. I have already taken that, and I used my water painters to color that in. If you missed the video from last Friday where I shared how easy it is to color with the water painters and your classic ink pad, you can go over and check that out in my YouTube channel or my blog. So we're just going to add those flowers right about there, and then we have the little wheel. I wonder if I can lift that up. I think I want to move that over just a hair so that it doesn't cover up my greeting as much. Again, I'm gonna grab that wheel, put a glue dot on it. Then I am just going to add some leaves to the bottom. And let's see if I can find my punch here and punch out a couple more. That leaf there I used the stamp set with, but this one I just used my embossing folder and embossed the leaves first. And it looks like I need a little glue dot underneath that wheel to hold it down. So we're just going to go in here and grab a glue dot. There we go. And it covers up that leaf, so let's move that leaf out. And there you have a fun card using those beautiful gold cards and envelopes and the Autumn Goodness bundle. Hope you've enjoyed this quick card. Talk to you real soon. Bye-bye.